Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video I'm just going to do a brief tour of the back path here. We've got a couple more plants out. The ENSETE Maurelii is potentially going in for the year now, still in its pot. Just want to show you that sort of in place, and a couple more updates. We will be doing a pond pump review over the next few days, so certainly check that out. I'll show you one feature we're doing with that. You just see here, guys, Tetrapanics starting to put out some good leaf size. This one at the back here starting to size up, but again, guys, you know, early in the year, it's only really started sizing up over the past week or two here. Just as we come down here, guys, you may have seen from our previous video as well, we've got the new chamerops volcano that's gone in. This whole area is going to be kind of backfilled as well, so a lot of work to do on here still. You can just see, guys, the baby musa basjoo has started to put out some decent growth. We've also got the pup next to it that did make it through, and again putting out some new leaves there as well. Just as we come back here, guys, again, cordyline, yucca jewel, and the butia all doing really well. Yucca jewel is just starting to put out some new growth and hopefully kind of shed off. We can get, maybe trim back some of the little dead bits that are on the leaf tips, but for the most part, guys, that one's done really well for it only being sort of hardy down to a -2. Just down in here, guys, the ionium cutting, again, done really well. I put this out a couple weeks ago. It has been down to about 0 once or twice since then. It's still absolutely fine. I think this late in the year now, guys, those kind of close to zeros shouldn't really do too much. Just as we come down here, you just see musa basjoo starting to really put out some decent sized leaves on it. This one here, that is probably some in the order of about 3 foot already and sort of not even fully open. So really happy. Started watering that heavily and feeding as well. Just down here, guys, and as you can see, the ENSETE Maurelii, which has been in the kitchen for the past few weeks, has come out. I'm glad that it is coming out now. As you can see, it is over 6 foot now. Lovely leaves on these guys again, and you can just see, when you get under the light there, all the colorations that come through, and that will really darken up, and start really shining. Again, as it kind of pushes out new leaves here. You can see it is still in the pot. That is just in case we do get any kind of crazy cold for some reason over the next few weeks, but at the moment the forecast looks good, so I'm going to keep it out and keep an eye on the forecast. Just as we come down here, guys, you may have seen the yucca puck that we picked up. Again, fairly happy in there. Going to find some new underplantings for here as well. Just down here, guys, you've got a bag of compost. We backfilling all of this here for the new planting bed that's going to go off the back of here. So of course that pool stand there is not going to be there anymore. Just as you can see, guys, as we come back here, the bamboos have been sort of cleaned out. Lovely canes there. Got some new stuff coming up on that. As we come down the back here, guys, again, got some of the kind of spring flowers out and things like that. Just as we pan up here, guys, you can just see everything's still starting to come out. The new ferns, to show you in a second there, have started to put out a knuckle as well as in the inside of the Dicksonia antarctica. So again, really happy with that. Just as you come down the jungle path and the floating pathway here, guys, you can see the we do have this running now. So this was always our little proposed trickle stream coming out of here, and got reasonable flow on it as well. You can see we've got a nice little kind of cascade off the bottom, and again, it just gives you that idea that when you're standing here, you've got the water flowing in there. It just lights up this feature a bit more, I think. So really happy with the way that's turned out. Again, I'm using a solar pump, so that's a Popo solar pump. Again, I've got a review video coming out on sort of unboxing and everything like that. Great little pump, so certainly check that out when that does come out. Worth taking a look at if you're going to be, again, investing in any sort of pond equipment, things like that. Now, just coming around here, guys, as we pan in, you can see some of the Dropterus ferns starting to get some knuckles out. Just in the center there, you can just see that, well, very hard to see. You can just see that one there, again, has started to push its knuckle up. And just as we come around here, guys, you can just see here this Dropterus as well, really starting to wake up. Lovely little knuckles, and quite good size on that as well. So I think it will pair nicely with the other Dicksonias that we've got. They're supposed to be, they do produce quite large fronds as well. And finally, just coming around here, guys, you can just see the baby Dicksonia antarctica got a few new fronds out, still opening up this one, but it's one of the first ones to actually put some new growth out from, fully out from the Dicksonia antarcticas. But with that said, guys, certainly check out the friends of the channel if you haven't yet. Please leave a comment below of kind of what your favorite kind of plant on the back path is. And with that said, guys, of course, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you on the next one.